Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look here at the brand new 2025 Salem FSX 210 RTK X Edition, the Platinum version. That X at the end basically means it was ordered with that Platinum package, which is the fiberglass exterior upgrade and a 200-watt solar panel installed. If you don't want to do that, you can get it in metal as well, save a few bucks. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 Salem FSX 210 RTKX here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is a front bedroom, toy hauler, travel trailer here. We're gonna actually kind of start outside, kind of work our way in. So stepping out here through our hang down wall screen here, you have a back porch rail. On the back porch rail here, there is a gate where you could get off the back section if you wanted to. There is an aftermarket set of steps you can purchase. But you can see here with the little screen wall set up, so you can roll up the privacy part of it and just have a big screen, or you could take it completely down off the section here, making it a lot easier to like load and unload your toys. Got prepping for a camera and a light out here as well. Now back to the inside part. You got a couple windows over here that do open. You could do a little bed area down here if you wanted to. Table can go inside or outside. You could use another little bed over here if you wanted to. And a couple more windows over here. There is a skylight up above. You have a 15,000 BTU ducted air conditioning system. There's TV hookups over here on the wall, so you could set you up a TV if you wanted to. Over here on this side, you're gonna have electric outlet, USB charger ports. There is going to be kind of a large pantry thing here. Electric box with the breakers and fuses kind of hidden down in there. And you have the 10.7 cubic foot Furrion 12 volt powered fridge. So you're going to have the refrigerator part on the bottom and freezer part on top. And just kind of looking up there again, that's your 15,000 BTU ducted AC up there. You're going to have some overhead cabinet space here in the kitchen, pretty decent amount right there. Hood range light and fan, window behind the stove there does open. You're going to have an undermount sink with the little cup washer thing on it, and also high-rise faucet. 3-burner gas cooktop with the flip up and down glass lid. You're going to also have a convection microwave down below here to do some cooking if you want. And you have a drawer and a little bit of storage underneath the sink area as well. Digital thermostat over here to work our propane furnace and our air conditioning system. Now just kind of looking down here at the floor area and stuff, you have multiple tie down sections throughout the floor, most of it being back here in this section. These sofas here will flip up against the wall. The table can fold down and be moved out of the way. And then there's a bunch of little plastic tubs that come with it underneath there for storage as well. There's also a speaker back there that I forgot to mention, and another one right up here. Then you're gonna have 2 outdoor speakers as well. Right here is gonna be your bathroom area. So you have foot flush toilet. There's going to be a sink area with a little bit of storage underneath of that, and also a medicine cabinet as well. Up top, you're going to have a little vent fan thing up here. Skylight up above. Then you have a glassed-in shower. And there's also some storage over here as well. All vinyl floor throughout the RV. They got USB charger, C and regular, and then you also have the on-demand water heater controls right here. There is a vent on the side, and there's another one back on the other side I forgot to mention also, but there's two vents, one on each side. You're gonna have your 30 amp charge controller for the 200 watt solar panel when it's ordered with this. You're gonna have a awning button here for the power awning, 12 volt tank heaters, water pump switch, some light switches, monitor panels for our holding tanks, and a JBL Bluetooth connector here to connect to the inside and outside speakers, so you could use your phone to play music in the RV. Bedroom area in the front, you are going to have a Camper King bed that will raise up, so there's some storage underneath it here. There is actually a door on each side that will get you out into the large pass-through storage area as well. You got the windshield in the front. You're going to have hanging closet on each side along with some overhead cabinet space. The interior height is roughly about 84 inches tall. You're going to have window on each side of the bed, and both of them do open. There's also TV hookups over here as well. But overall, a pretty decent size bedroom area. It's a little snug here at the foot of the bed. You got to kind of go sideways in and out of there, but it is fairly large feeling due to the extra height and stuff, and having that Camper King bed will definitely be nice. All right, now we're going to head back outside. I want to show you around the outside of this and show you what it's all about out there. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Salem FSX Platinum Edition 210 RTKX travel trailer here. Starting here on the door side, work our way around for you. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior with a new graphics package. Again, part of the Platinum version. If you don't do the Platinum package, you will get the standard aluminum exterior instead. You have a power awning here with an LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting. There's a pretty good sized pass-through storage compartment area right here, which goes underneath the bed area. You can see that Blue Ox weight distribution hitching system that this customer is going with aftermarket. Nice thing to consider adding. Right here, it is prepped for a portable solar panel as well. So you could plug in a portable, like little blanket panel or something, kind of move it around with the sun if you're out underneath a tree or something at your campsite and your one up top can't get the sun. It's nice to have a little portable version. You're gonna have a gas line hookup right down here, so you could plug in a portable grill if you want. You also have quick drop stabilizer jacks on the front and rear of the RV. The unit has two JBL speakers here on the outside. You have the heavy-duty MORryde entry exit step, rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet, flips in the doorway when traveling. Large folding handle up there to help you get in and out of the RV. Traditional RV entry door and screen door with the tinted window as well. Speaking of windows, you have deep tint safety glass windows throughout the RV. You're going to have the on-demand water heater right here by Suburban. You're gonna have a gas line hookup, a water hookup, cold water spray port, and that right there would allow you to kind of hose down some stuff on this side if you needed to. You're gonna also have the gravity fill fresh water tank fill up right here, electric outlet here, and also your stove exhaust vent out right there. You have a dual axle unit, drum brakes, steel wheels, easy lube hubs. Just down below right here is going to be your dump hose holder. And again, you have rear stabilizer jacks back there as well. But a nice new look for the Salem FSX here on the outside. Now, as you kind of seen a little bit when we were inside, this has the back porch area right here. But it's basically a cable hold up system. And then you remove the cables and it drops down so you could load your toys in there. You're going to have these swing gates to get you on and off the back area if you want to. Now, they do sell aftermarket a set of steps that you can buy to come off the back of these things. So do consider that if you plan on really using it for a back porch. Up top there, you're gonna have a motion light up there, and also in the top center up there, prepping for the Furrion rear observation camera. That is a very nice camera system that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite or something. Now let's real quick take a peek at the roof. So just kind of looking up top here, you can see things up here like your 15,000 BTU air conditioner. You're gonna have your TV antenna, plumbing stack vents, you know, skylight, different little odds and ends things up here on roofs of RVs that you got to get up here from time to time and maintain your seams and seals and stuff all around this. So very important to get up here and check it out. All right, up here in the corner, you can see that we are prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's a nice telescoping ladder that you can use to get up and down on and off your roof. You can get that aftermarket. Talk with your salesperson about that, or maybe order it off the internet if you prefer. You have cable inlet right here. You're gonna have your detachable 30 amp power cord right here. That's probably close to 25, maybe 30 feet long roughly. You're gonna have your dump area right down here for your gray and black. So everything's coming out of one area. You got two separate pull handles. You got a hot and cold outside utility shower right here. You have your black tank flush to clean out the toilet system. You also have your city water inlet, and you have hot and cold low point water drains right down here as well. Gutters running down both sides of the RV with the 3-inch gutter extensions on the ends. You have a very nice rounded front end here, trying to make it a little more aerodynamic than the old school flat front stuff. Now right here, you're gonna have some real important informational stickers. Let's run over this info for you real quick. So this one right here is production date sticker. Tells me this RV was built 8/16 of 2024. Model number 210 RTKX. Again, it has the X on it because it was the platinum package option. Has a gross weight, that's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, do not exceed this number, 9,845 pounds. Dry weight when it rolled off the assembly line with these options was 6,066 pounds. You have a exterior length of 28 feet 8 inches. Tire size, ST 225/75R15 E-range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV, guys. The tires can only hold a certain amount of weight at a certain pressure. If you let the pressure drop too low, it can't handle the RV properly, and you could blow a tire out a lot easier. That's one of the most common problems with tire failures on campers. People don't check them often enough, and they blow out. So right here on the front, you're gonna have roughly, I'd say probably a 3/4 fiberglass front cap. Really starts up top, kind of rolls down, has that big windshield in it, a couple LED glow lights in it as well. You have a lower metal skirting down here as well. You have power tongue jack with the light built in, manual override, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You're gonna have two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator, room for a couple batteries to fit back there, battery disconnect as well. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, you are greatly appreciated. Please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They were actually the #1 selling travel trailer and fifth wheel dealer for 2023. They'll be glad to save you some money. And as always, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up. Thanks again.